extremely small following. It's charitygirl106 and HI21 here.
Sadly, our Rusty Fairy Free is not going to a game. And also we're restarting and we're playing Bad Cat.
What he means is we're playing Bad Cat, but we've played Bad Cat before, and we're at different parts of the game than each other, so to make us on the same level, we are going to restart ourselves. So, Pierre, let's get started, okay?
Okay. You.
Okay, I'll join you, okay, Pierre?
Join. Okay, press it.
Yeah, press the restart button, okay?
I did press this.
Okay, don't do anything. I'll join you.
My owner's gonna say bye to me.
Nice.
Oh no. Hi.
Bye.
Be nice. I'm going home. Bye.
Yeah, right. We're gonna destroy your whole house.
And make sure to go to IKEA and Home Depot.
Okay, I have wait.
Ow! Oh!
I have restarted. Where are you, Pierre?
I'm right here.
Oh, there you are.
So,
Let's start wrecking things.
yes, bring your table. Oh, it's on level. It should be on level. Oh, that's on level 4.
Pierre, beat up the beanbags. Those are easy catch.
That's
your
you?
TV beanbag.
My owner said that's your TV bag. Each level, we're gonna have each part.
Oh God, I destroyed the road.
When we on level 7, when we on level 7, when we go outside, we will stop recording.
No, we stopped recording at 10, remember?
No, but when we reach level 7,
Kibble everywhere.
when we walk a new location, we will restart the video.
That was my favorite lamp.
Stop the video.
Okay.
That was my favorite lamp. That camera was too expensive. Let's make her go to Home Depot.
How do you make her go to Home Depot?
Just destroy things. You look like Oreo. I mean Cookie.
Yeah, exactly. That's why I chose to be a calico cat.
I'm eating something I've eaten before.
Now, where will I watch TV?
Oh, I'm on the bathroom. I'm messing
No,
up the
how will I
toilet
wipe now?
Got you.
Pierre, where are you in the house?
I am right in a corner.
Why?
And next to there. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Hi.
Destroyed.
I get to destroy the Finland cat. Find the cats. I get to destroy the finding cats picture.
Not my shameless plug
Got
for
it.
Find the Cats.
Not my shameless plug from behind the cats PM. Why would you?
Careful
Make-
with your bowl.
Why would you make you angry? He's going to stop. Let's make a go to Home Depot and IKEA. Destroy it. Make it spend a lot of money. Make it spend a lot of money.
And by a lot of money, I mean a lot of money. Like a lot of money.
Don't make me go to IKEA again.
Okay, I'm almost at level 7. I'm like halfway.
My painted chair.
Okay, when you
I
go
worked hard on
outside,
that.
we will.
Don't make a mess.
We will.
Now where will my model sit?
Go
Stop it!
outside and
Not the cat trick picture.
done with the recording. And be done. What is so needed?
Okay, I reached level 7. What about you, Pierre?
The Lost Cats is a cat-finding contest game. Fire!
Oh my goodness! I'll make the house.
My Kayla, those were a gift. I wanted that sushi.
Here, look, there's a moat. Can I show you one?
What?
Don't act so spicy. Is nothing safe from you?
Did you level up yet, Pierre?
I did it.
Okay, let me just destroy the TV.
Hey, the house turned
So dark.
into like peaceful crash.
Pierre, let's go outside now.
After I'm done with
Not my
outside,
fridge!
we are strong cats. We are strong cats.
We are very strong now.
Oh,
Yep.
no, not my TV.
Like, inhumanly strong. Stronger than most humans.
Stronger than the rock.
Well, since we're not humans, like, incredibly strong.
The house is turned into ashes. I'm outside now.
Oh, wait up for me.
I
Just
bought out
go.
on my trip to China.
Pierre, where are you?
I'm right here, right beside you.
Hey.
Yay.
Now let's destroy some.
I might get milking so hard. Wait, it says VIP area. Do not do it. Do not go to the VIP area.
Well, you don't have VIP, so you can't.
Got you. I'm a silly cat
I
Very
built
silly.
that with my new
and
friend.
strong. Bugler! Bugler! I'm destroying the children's. He destroyed the favorite place too. What? I destroyed metal.
Because we're strong cats.
What would I need? So this thing. I'm making the clothes all wet.
Now they're all wet again.
Now let's spend all of her money and go to work for the next 8 days.
My flowers! My cactus!
I will taunt Flamingo ladies, whether you like it or not.
Moosha ran dumadoo dumada.